Hello, today we're going to work on systems of equations in 3 variables. Specifically, by the end of the lesson today, I want you to be able to solve system of linear equations in 3 variables. I will explain the process through examples, and here is the first example. X plus y plus z equal to 2, 6x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 31, 5x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 13. At any point you can pause the video to copy down or do it and compare your answers. Step 1, I want you to take any 2 equations that you want to eliminate one of the variables. So pick 2 out of 3 equations and eliminate one of the variables. Means eliminate x, y, or z. So I'm going to pick the first and second equation. X plus y plus z equals to 2. 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. I'm going to eliminate y here by multiplying the first equation by 4. If you notice, this is going to be 4y and then cancels with negative 4y when I eliminate it. If you remember elimination method by what we did in the previous lesson for 2 equations, 2 unknowns. So here what it's going to turn out to be 4x plus 4y plus 4z equal to 2, 6x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 31. Sorry, that's going to be 8 here. Okay. So now we're going to add these equations. This is going to be 10x. Y will be eliminated as we wished. And then plus 9z is equal to 39. Okay. So that's one equation that is very valuable, and we're going to be using that again. So you can circle that, okay, in step 2, we're going to pick another 2 equations, and this time we must eliminate the same variable as a step 1. So in this step, I'm going to pick equation 2 and equation 3. So it doesn't matter which 2 equations you pick. So here's 2 and 3, 6x minus 4y plus 5z equal to 31, 5x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 13. This time you must eliminate y because we eliminated y in the previous step. So to eliminate y, you're going to multiply the second equation by negative 2, the second equation here, because then that would be positive 2, because then that would be positive 4, and negative 4 cancels. Okay. So now we have 6x minus 4y plus 5z, rewriting the first equation, and then multiplying 2 into the second 10x, 4y, 2 times 2 is again 4z, equal to 26. So now you add them, 4y and 4y cancels, you have 16x plus 9z equal to 57. Step 3 says use the first and second steps equations. So you have two equations. Use the two equations in a step 2, in a step 1 and 2, and form a new equation. A new system of equation. Let's see what that is. So we had one equation as a result of a step 1, and that was 10x, if you see in red up top here, plus 9z equal to 39, and then 16x plus 9z equal to 57. So we had these equations, now we put them together. As you can guess now, we have two equations and two unknown. X and z are unknown. By our previous lessons, we know how to solve a system of two equation to unknown. So I'm going to eliminate, or you can do substitution method at this point. I'm going to use elimination. You just solve the system of equation here. So use the two equation and solve. So now here you have rewriting the first equation, 10x plus 9z equal to 39, and then negative 16x, negative 9z, negative 57. You combine these. So it's negative 6x, 9z and 9z cancels. Then you have negative 57 plus 39 is equal to negative 18. From here, you just solve for x. You divide both sides by negative 6. So x is equal to 3. So we found x equal to 3, exactly like how you were solving two equations, two unknowns. You can put x back into one of the two equations here and find z. So I'm going to use the first equation. So 10x, instead of x I'm going to put 3, plus 9z, I'm using this equation right here, is equal to 39. So that's 30 plus 9z is equal to 39. So from here, I'd subtract 30 from both sides. So 9z is equal to 9. Dividing both sides by 9, z is equal to 1. So that's the second one. Now you need to find the third unknown. So to find the third unknown, you're going to use the original that involves x, y, and z, and you pick one out of the three equations. I'm going to pick the first one. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. X plus y plus z is equal to 2. I know x is 3 now, z is 1, so I'm going to find y. That's 4 plus y is equal to 2. Subtract 4 from both sides. Y is equal to negative 2. So, and here's how we're going to write our answer. We're going to write it in a point form in the coordinates. So x is 3, y is negative 2, z is 1. That's the answer. Now I want you to do this problem. So this is now your turn. Try this one. X minus y plus 2z is equal to negative 3. X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 4. 2x plus y plus z is equal to negative 3. I want you to solve them, and at the end your answers should be negative 3, 2, and 1. If you got to that answer following the steps that I gave you, then you learned how to solve system of linear equations with 3 unknowns. Okay, that's all for it now.